Hey! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store. Now you need to click on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Following that, download this app from this developer, Flare 2, Device Check and System Info. After that, open your app and from it, learn all the information about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!